In this video, we will go to User Customization, Configuration, Menu Setup menu, and we will discuss about Company Menu Setup. By using Company Menu Setup, you can edit the modules that will appear in your company code's ERP screen, and you can hide the modules that you don't need, and you can make the ERP screen of your company code more concise. You can set the settings for each module and also for each sub-module and its sub-menus. And according to your company's workflow, you can set whether to enable each menu. For example, in Inventory 1 Production module, if you will use Goods Receipt menu but you will not use Goods Issued menu, check Do Not Use for Goods Issued. And if you will not use the Inventory 2 module as a whole, click on the corresponding tab and check Do Not Use for the entire module, and click Save to finish. After saving, if you refresh your ERP screen by clicking the company logo, then the Inventory 2 module will disappear from the screen. This will apply to all users of your company code. They all will not be able to see the hidden menu. And moving on, you can use My Menu settings at the ERP screen top right to set the menus that will be initially displayed when you click each module. In the menu bar on the left, you can see the parent modules, and if you click each of them, the modules, sub-modules, and their sub-menus will appear in the screen. And the menu, which is marked by default icon on the left, will appear the first when you click its parent module. Set the desired menu to default so that when you enter a parent module, you can see the menu the first. And you can change the order of sub-modules and sub-menus by using drag and drop. And in order to collapse or expand a sub-module, use the arrow button on the left. So if the arrow looks at the bottom, the module's sub-menus will be expanded by default. And if the arrow looks at the right, then the menus will be collapsed by default. And you will need to click the sub-module once to see all of its sub-menus. And please note that unlike menu setup, which applies to all users in common, My Menu settings works individually for each user ID. You need to log in with each user ID in order to customize the menu configuration that appears to them.